push it, and I think it'll start videoing. Yeah, now it's switched. Maybe that's it. Maybe it is recording. Okay. Okay, that's it, dude. It's all, honey.
It's too hard for her because she's her coloring. You can't see what is going on. Maybe if you... Okay, that angle's a little better.
It's all, honey. It's all.
That ain't not done. I want you more. Oh, that's better. Coloring of that's much
She
better.
hits it really hard. That's what I wanted to get, how unstable it can be. Try to get another one like that and we'll see. Sometimes it's okay and sometimes it just gets clocked.
You know how to do that pretty fast.
Yeah, she learned to do this in a couple of days with a little assistance and some clicker training. Good. Going at the end here, I want to see her reaction. Now it's empty. There's no food. Yeah, good, good. Yeah, no food. That's it. Good. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, okay, good.